right, breakfast. Potatoes, ham, some sausage, egg, juice, and guava juice. I love that guava juice. Some grits, y'all. It's pretty good for breakfast. Good morning, everybody. We are on our way. We're in Bimini. We're finna get ready to go to the beach for a little while. And I eat breakfast first and go to the beach and relax a little bit and come on back and relax on the ship and have fun. And I'll hopefully be able to show y'all Christmas decorations then. All right. Peace, y'all. Let's cruise time. Ooh, Christmas decorations. Ooh, look at all these Christmas decorations. It is Christmas season. Huh? Uh-uh. I'm trying to figure out how to get out of here, to get on the ship. I mean, to get on to the beach. We got on a whole elevator. It didn't even take us to it. So we gotta get on another one. So hopefully they'll take us. Are we on the wrong one? Should we go on that side?
Oh, they have different openings.
So we should go on this one. It said water shoulder light, so that's where we'll get off at. Gangway. See? Elevator time, going to the beach. Beach, beach, beach.
Deck 3.
Deck 3. That's where you get off to get to the gangway. And for us, them start checking us out. Let me just go through here.
You stuck on the boat.
Sorry. There's scan our cards. Oh, look at this water just moving.
Jump in there, Mom. You can swim, right?
I'm just moving. I cannot swim. That's why I'm not close to it.
Ben said you can swim.
Long walk, y'all. From here to here. And I think we got a little more longer walk too. We ain't done. I think we gotta turn to the left. All right, this is when we get on the tram to ride to the beach. It wasn't that bad of a walk. We don't have any excursions, so I think we get on the left-hand side. I don't know which side we're gonna get on. We're gonna go this way. How do I get on that? This way? Thank you. All right, so you go down this way to be able to get on the little train thing. Thank you. How do you get on here? Get on one of these little boat things and ride it on out to the end, and the end is to the free cruise. Can I come through here? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. You want to get on person? You sure? I'm about to go get off on the back one. I want to get on the back. I want to get on the back. Right here. Right here. Get right here. Sorry.
Yes.
We're gonna get back to the picture right there. Alright, we're on train service. We're driving now. I can see what's going The last beach is literally seconds away. It's free, but you gotta pay for anything to sit on. And they do not have a restaurant. I am in room 229. I got that, so I remember where I'm at. Right here, it's kind of junky, but that's inside the room when you get here. Let's go to the restroom. Restroom, step, make sure you remember the step. And it's a nice size. And the shower's actually a nice size too, y'all. To me, it's a little bit bigger than the last one I was on. And of course, you got 2 closets. Not gonna get in it because it's kind of messy in there. And then you got a little table, a little desk right here. And then the chair's right here by my bed because I didn't have nothing beside it. And then you have the bed here. Then you have a bed here. Oh, you have animal bed here. And they even organized our shoes, y'all. These right here extra beds, which we don't need, but that's it. So the room, pretty simple. Not used to the beds. And my son wants to zoom in on the teddy bear, on the what do you think that is, Rico? What do you think, a man, a bear, or I don't know.
A bear.
I don't know.
They got a snout.
He's a snout. He said so it's a bear. So whatever, we got some kind of animal, but yeah. Room tour.
She wants to say, "Could you room got it?" Yeah, that's the funny thing about music trip. That's
This is the gingerbread house thing they made. It took like 10 people to put this together. Oh, shit, forgot to film it while they were doing it. It is Christmas time in the city. Beautiful. Okay, so y'all, I just found out that while I am drinking in the casino, this is how I booked on Carnival, that I get 15 free drinks a day, the same as a Cheers packet. So I'm glad I didn't purchase a Cheers packet, even though I don't drink like that. But 15 free drinks because I did how I did my promotion when I booked, y'all. So that's a good package. So when y'all booking, book casino. Hey. Hey y'all, it was us on Bimini. We enjoyed ourselves on the ship. Not so much Bimini was not for us. So yeah, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is my first cruise since COVID happened. I have a couple more videos coming up. I have another video of a different trip that a cruise I went on. Then I have 2 more already scheduled for the year 2022. So I'm gonna start this cruising thing and start vlogging, and I hope I get better. Okay, so y'all do not talk about me too bad, because I'm trying. I'm just having fun. I'm enjoying my life, and also just hope everybody else enjoys their life. And I enjoyed myself overall. And I'm gonna go finish up the video, and like I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification, any other kind of stuff you have. And this is Bimini. Food was great. Had fun traveling. I won a ship on the stick. Yay to me. And yeah, just finished watching a couple more seconds. So that's my son right there, y'all. It was his first cruise, and that's us. It was our trip together, first trip. So all right, y'all. Thank y'all again. And this is I'm gonna get off here and let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.